Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create hard check or text effect in CapCut PC. So first I'm going to add the black screen and go to text, select text template, or you can select default text, but I'm going to select text template for easier, and I'm just going to select this one. Alright, just add to the track and just for it to reduce some line with the tags, and you can resize and change for the tags. And after done, you are just going to select the clip, right click and create component clip, go to effect and select the night color and select, we're just looking for the shack effect. Yours, just download it. Add to the track and adjust for the strange until IT, and then speed and 40. So you can see for the final result like this. It's so simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.